Hi, welcome to our landing page, directmarketingadvertisementnearmecom. You got here from either scanning a QR code or clicking on the link. Are you frustrated that your brand's sales campaigns are underperforming? If so, I feel your pain. I created the special report consumer awareness guide on the 7 deadly mistakes to avoid when hiring a direct marketing advertisement agency. We do things the new way. We believe in a multi-channel approach when it comes to advertisement. Submit your information below, enjoy our special report consumer awareness guide, and then at the end of the report, I want you to click on our link, our Calendly link, and book a free 20-minute marketing makeover with me so we can get your brand noticed faster, we can increase your visibility and your ROI, your bottom line. I appreciate your time. Thank you.